Namaste, welcome to Path for Healthy Living, and let's get started with today's CoreFit practices. And if you are watching this video for the first time, please do check out in the description box below for the previous CoreFit practices. Today we'll be doing all kinds of leg raises, so lift your legs up to get the fat down. Let's get started. We start with alternate toe taps. So inhale here, exhaling, lift your right leg up and touch with your left hand. Touch your right toes with your left hand. Inhale, come back. Exhale, left leg up, lift, touch your left toes with your right hand. And let's continue the same way. Inhale here, exhale, inhale, exhale. 1, exhale, inhale, exhale. 2, exhale, inhale, exhale. 3, exhale, inhale, exhale. 4, continue. So we did 10 times with each leg. Take a long and deep breathe in, breathe out completely. My hands are here only throughout this practice also. So the next practice is single leg raises. For that we'll be raising both legs up. You can either directly raise your legs to 90 degrees, or if it is difficult, you can just fold your legs and lift your legs to 90 degrees. And then our legs will be here throughout the practice, and let your toes pointing to ceiling and start. Inhale here, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 3, inhale, exhale. 4, inhale, exhale. 5, inhale, exhale. 6, inhale, exhale. 7, inhale, exhale. 8, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And take exactly 5 seconds rest here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's get started with left leg. Same 10 times. Inhale here, and again rest here 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can directly bring your legs down by bending your knees, or if you want a little more challenge, but don't attempt this if you have back pain. Till now you can do even if there is back pain also. So now what you can do is slowly take your legs down, very slowly, very slowly, very slowly, and up. Take 2 long and deep breaths, and then fold your legs. Now what we are going to do is hip raises. So let's get started. You can keep pressing your palms on each side of your body here. So, raise your right leg up 90 degrees. Inhale, raise your hips up. Exhale, down. Continue. 5, 6. Relax. Take 5 seconds break here and repeat with left leg. Raise your left leg to 90 degrees and start. Keep pressing your palms down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. And take 2 long and deep breaths in, breathe out completely. Relax, and then we'll be practicing the toe touches, not the alternate one. With both legs up, and then inhale here, exhale, inhale, exhale. Continue. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Take a long and deep breathe in, breathe out completely. Now you can just relax for about 1 minute. Take a long and deep breathe in, breathe out completely. Do 5, 6 long and deep breaths here, and then we will be repeating 3 more sets of this. So we did 1 set, repeat 3 more times, starting from alternate toe taps and leg raises and hip raises, and again the complete toe touches. Okay, so keep practicing, stay safe, stay healthy. See you tomorrow with another great set of practice.